Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best laser levels available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have SKIL Laser Level. The Laser Level tool projects a bright red continuous horizontal line all the way around a room. This laser level automatically levels to cuts out any guesswork. The integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery has a convenient micro USB charging port and indicators that show how much battery life is left. The adjustable tripod can be raised up to a max height of 3.5 feet and lets you securely position the tool on the floor or a table. For projects where your lines are not level or plumb like a diagonally tiled backsplash, the tool has a locking mode that lets you position the projected lines at any angle you choose. At number 5 we have Bosch Laser Level. This rugged layout laser features Bosch's VisiMax technology to deliver maximum line laser visibility up to 50 feet in standard working conditions, as well as to ensure that the diodes don't overheat. It provides simple laser setup modes to project vertical, horizontal and cross lines. The Bosch GLL 55 can project two lines independently or together for straightforward job layout of tile work, banister hanging or shelving installation. It includes smart pendulum system that allows the reliable laser tool to self-level while also indicating out-of-level condition to help ensure an accurate setup for confidence in a precise job. At number 4 we have Johnson Laser Level. This Johnson Torpedo Level is designed for easy use even in tight spaces. The laser offers a high accuracy level of ±1/8/50 for error-free leveling, reading and guiding. The magnetic leveling laser features 4 vials that read plumb level, 45 deg. Angle and cross-check while the laser projects a beam of up to 100 feet. This 390 deg. Beams emit simultaneous level, plumb and square reference points. The torpedo manual level has a machined and anodized aluminum frame to ensure maximum durability on the harshest job sites. The precision-crafted aluminum laser offers superior accuracy. At number 3 we have Bosch Laser Level. The Bosch line of metal drill bits offers a solution for every professional application. Each bit is manufactured to exacting specifications and features a split point that starts on contact with no walking or skating, eliminating the need for a center punch. Bosch black oxide bits offer superior durability, speed and selection to support most general-purpose applications. At number 2 we have Spectra Laser Level. The LL300N's fully automatic self-leveling capability provides a fast, accurate setup. Rechargeable NiMH battery pack or alkaline batteries keeps the unit working with no downtime due to power loss. This single cross-axis manual slope mode with cross-axis self-leveling allows grade matching for basic slope work while maintaining accuracy in the cross slope. This maintains performance even in rainy, dusty, and other harsh job sites and weather conditions. IP66 environmental rating. The durable design reduces downtime due to drops and tripod tip-overs. At number 1 we have Huepar Laser Level. This laser tool provides 4 360 planes of laser light. The top 360 degrees horizontal line can be used for ceiling installation. The Huepar LS04CG Laser Level comes with 2x5200 mAh lithium-ion batteries for convenient replacement and continuous use. This 4 indicators on the battery let users know the current battery level and charge status. There is a Type-C charging port on the batteries that can be charged separately, and the battery can also be charged by phone, laptop, power bank, car charger, etc. The 4 360 degrees laser planes can be selected individually by separate H and V button on the keypad. With smart pendulum, the laser tool self-levels and indicates out-of-level condition while pendulum unlocked. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best laser levels for your need.